Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains creation process of single choice question type. Any question can be created both in test creation process and through question pools. Therefore, you may navigate to the question pools in the tests, decide whether you want to create a question for an existing question pool or create a new one, and simply click on this button to choose a question type. Or enter the test creation wizard, go through all test wizard steps, and in the step, choose Add Questions manually. Then click on the Add a New Question button. Single choice questions offer multiple possible answers, of which only can one be selected by test taker. There are three scoring methods of this question type. First, you can define correct and incorrect answers, of which only one can be correct and only one selected by candidate. Let's now create one and add three possible answers. You can edit the text as you prefer. C. During the question creation process, the correct answer must be selected. Therefore, the candidate will obtain points only if he or she chooses that correct answer. You can edit answers as well, and click on this button to preview. You can add image, audio, video, or formulas to both question and answers. Then, you can define weight for each answer, meaning each answer carries different number of points. For example, let's say that this one, which is the correct answer, carries 5 points, while other answers carry less. If you choose manual grading option, each question needs to be graded manually by test manager or instructor after a test is finished. You can now see there is no option for defining correct answer nor the answer points. Here you also have an option to convert a single choice question to a multiple choice question and vice versa. Let's now, for example, set this question to have only one correct answer that weights 2 points, and one penalty, which is a negative point obtained if one chooses incorrect answer. Here you can choose the question difficulty level. A question can be labeled as easy, medium, or hard. This kind of labeling is useful because it helps prepare created question for later generating options. Further, it is possible to organize multiple questions into a group, edit short description and multimedia that will be displayed with each question within the group. Groups can represent different areas of knowledge and themes. Ranging is an optional feature that allows you to add a follow-up question to each answer in the original question. This is a separate question type explained in the other video. Moreover, you can create versions of this question in different languages. Just click on the Add Translation, choose a language from the drop-down list, and type the question text and answers in the selected language. Those numbers here represent questions' ordinal numbers, the order in which they will appear in the test. You can define the order here or randomize it later in the test wizard. Check this option to enable Answer Generator if you wish to set the number of correct and incorrect answers that will be displayed in the test. Since this is a single choice question type, there can be only one correct answer, but we can set the number of incorrect answers to be displayed. To enable assistance, click on this button. If you choose Hint, the candidate will be displayed with additional field that will help him to answer the question but may carry penalty points. By checking this option, you can add a question to one of the existing pools you manage. Choose a desired pool from a drop-down menu list. When finished, click on this button to add this question to the test. In the next step, which is the overview of questions added, you can randomize the answers. Moreover, you can edit or delete a question in this step as well. If you select the option to limit the time per question in the second step of Test Wizard. In question creation process of single choice question, you will have a possibility to define time limit in seconds, minutes or hours. Then you can also add another assistance called additional time. It enables candidates to use additional time for answering questions. In the settings for the test as a whole, you have several more possibilities that affect single-choice question settings as well. Specifically, you can require answering all questions, enable so-called I don't know answer, so candidates can avoid negative points, and enable answer feedback that is displayed to a user in a pop-up window after he or she answers the question. If this option is enabled, you will see the option under each question added during creation process. Let's now log in as a student to present candidates' perspective of single-choice question and its configuration in the test. Up here there is a countdown timer for this question. Candidate has possibility to open each multimedia file contained in a question. And down here there are assistance options and penalty points they carry. When this question is answered and proceeded to the next one, answer feedback will appear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.